Hey there folks, Derek Pierce here, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the plugins that are installed as part of the Page One Plugin 2.0 system, and kind of going through some of these and just letting you know why they were installed and why they're important to your website. So real quick, if you are at the dashboard, then all you have to do is just go to the Plugins tab that you see right here. And once you're there, you will see the plugins that were installed with the Page One plugin. So the first one you've got is the HTML on Pages. And what this does exactly that. This adds an HTML extension to all of your WordPress pages. Now you can see I've got these couple of sample pages here. I'm going to click View. And so let me just show you this real quick. You can see this extension will end in .html. Something else that we've done is in the permalink settings that, let me get there real quick, and I'm going to right click on there. You can see we have all the posts done in .html as well. The reason why is there was a study done years ago and found that .html had more authority than what some of the other extensions are. So that's the reason why this plugin is in there, and I've been using this for years and it's worked really well for me, and I know it can work for you as well. So that's the first plugin. The next one is the all-in-one SEO pack. Now, if you were, let me go right here to the dashboard and open this up in a new tab. First of all, let me close out these couple of tabs here that we just opened up. If you recall, when we were at the dashboard, we were in step number 2 where we were asked to fill in your blog details on the blog details page. When you entered this information, this automatically plugged this into the all-in-one SEO pack. So if you ever want to change that, you can go right here to the settings page, and I'm just going to open that in a new tab, and you can see where the Page One plugin has automatically enabled the all-in-one SEO pack, and you can change this if you need to, if you're wanting to alter your keywords or something like that. So the next plugin is the bad behavior plugin, and what this will do, this will help deny automated spam bots from hitting your blog with a bunch of comment spam. So this is a free resource. You can check this out by clicking on the settings page if you like, but this is something that will help you with cutting down on your blog comment spam. So the next plugin is called the WordPress Ping Optimizer, and what this is going to allow you to do is this is going to keep your blog from getting deemed as like a spammer, a ping spammer. So if you go right here to the settings page, you'll see we've automatically populated your pings to, I've clicked on the wrong button here. Let me go back here, right here, WordPress Ping Optimizer. If you click on the settings page, you will see where we've already got built in multiple ping services that's going to ping every time you make a new post. But what this will do, this will allow you to and protect your blog from getting deemed as a spammer from pinging too much. So that's what this plugin is right here. The next one is a fast, secure contact form. This is the easiest contact form that there is to set up. So to do this, all you have to do is grab this little bit of shortcode, and I'm going to click right here on the settings page, and I'll show you this real quick in action. All you have to do is right here where it says this SI contact form equals 1. All you have to do is just copy this, and you can alter the information here. You can alter your email address where you want the contact form to be at. And we're going to open up a new page here, and we're going to create a page, and I'm going to click Add New, and we're going to call this our contact page. And we're just going to paste this shortcode in there. Okay, so all we have to do at this point is click Publish, and we'll show you the contact form and what it looks like. And click View Page, and you'll see this is a nice looking contact form. And you can also, if you want to cut this off right here, this set a meeting, this is something that you can actually turn off. This is in one of the settings here. Let me show you what this is. It's one of the settings on here. This right here, this accept meeting request via vCita. If you turn that off and click update options, then it'll just be the contact form. So there you go. That's all you have to do to get the contact form and contact page up and running. So I'm going to X off of that, and I'm going to X off of this one, and we're going to go back to the plugins page. Next plugin that is installed is the NextScripts Social Networks Auto Poster. Now what this will do is anytime you make a post, this will publish to your Web 2.0 site. So I'm going to open this in a new tab so you can click and see the settings, and you can click Add New Account, and you can see you've got a list of Blogger, Diego, Delicious, Facebook, Friend Feed, Google+. I mean, you got all these different services that you can plug in. All you have to do is just pick which one you want and then fill out the details from there and click Update Settings. And then this script will automatically post to your Web 2.0 sites once you make a new post. Very cool little plug-in there to help you get some to distribute some of your content out to the Web 2.0 sites and actually get backlinks from those sites. So then the next plugin is something that I do not use. This is called the Google Analyticator. The only reason this is part of this plugin suite is because so many people actually use it. I'm advising you to not use Google Analytics, and the reason is because they take the data and they use it against us as SEOers and as marketers to help find what we're doing in terms of link building and things like that. So this is not something that I use. I would recommend that you don't use it. It's not going to hurt to have it activated. In order for this thing to work, you still got to plug it into your Google Analytics account. So I'm just going to click on Settings page, and you'll see you've got to enter your Google authentication code, and I probably jacked that up when I said that. But you got to enter that to be able to show your Google Analytics data into this plugin. So this is something I'm not doing, and I wouldn't advise you to do it as well. But it's there if you want to. The Google XML sitemaps, this will automatically create a XML sitemap for it to submit to Google, and you can click right here, and this is going to automatically notify Google and Bing of your sitemap. So you can see your sitemap was built. This will tell you the date. This will tell you that Google was successfully notified about the changes, Bing was successfully notified about the changes, and gives you some details there. Not really anything you need to do with that, just letting you know what that is. This is going to help the search engines find your content and spider your content of your blog. The next plugin is called Permalinks Move Permanently, and what this will allow your blog to do, if you were to change a post or a page up, and instead of it going to a error page, then what this is going to do, this is going to automatically search for the new post, so it will redirect to the new post. So in case you change like a post, if somebody lands on that link, well then this will work to find that new link and will automatically redirect the user there. So very, very cool. And this is something, again, you don't have to do anything. It's just there and it's working for you. The next plugin is called the Redirection plugin, and what this will allow you to do is set up 301 redirects. So I'm going to click on the settings page and just display this and show you how this thing works. So if you are creating a post or a page and you're wanting to move it to another URL, and then all you would have to do is just click where you want it moved to, and then you could click the source URL. Something else that this will works really well for is also like if you're trying to put in an affiliate link to something and you don't want it to be like, you don't want it to be something like youraffiliateid.com, all this jumbled up code right here. If you want it to be something pretty, then you could put your target URL in right here, and then you could just put your source URL, and let's just say we want this to be, let's say that this is going to be page one plugin, right? Let's just pretend like we had a affiliate program with page one plugin that you were promoting, and let's say it was like this AFID equals 9937 whatever, right? So then you could do the source URL. You could just type in page one plugin and click add redirection, and so any URL that comes from this, anybody that clicks on this link right here will be forwarded to this right here. So this will allow you to have like a prettier link for your affiliates. very, very cool plugin. This is something I've used for a long time, and it works really, really well. It works good if you're, if you're also migrating a site over from, say, like you're migrating an old site from like just standard HTML type site, and you're wanting to bring it into WordPress, and maybe all the URLs don't match up, then this works really well to redirect to the new URLs. So the next plugin is the Sociable plugin, and I'll show you what this looks like here. All these little buttons that you see below here on all the posts that we've got set up here, like right here at the bottom. This is what this is. This is encourages your readers to share your content across these different platforms, which we all know with all the changes that's went on in Google in the last year. Social sharing is becoming more and more important. So this is very crucial that you have this on your blog. So there's Sociable. The next plugin is a WordPress database backup. In case you ever need to back up your database for any reason, then this plugin is here. The next plugin is the WordPress Facebook Like plugin, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see it's right here. You can this works just by clicking the like button. You can change where these buttons are by clicking on the settings page, and I'll show you this real quick. You can alter the way this thing where this is displayed at, and you can see here you're given some different options as to what you're wanting to do. So that's that plugin. And the next plugin is the WP Stats. Now, if you're not using the Google Analytics, which again I don't recommend that you do, you can plug this WP Stats program in, and it will display your blog stats. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and you can see what you need to do is just open the settings page, and you can see you've got some different type statistics that you can pull from it. So you can pull total stats, stats for the 10 most recent posts. This doesn't give you as much information as what a Google Analytics would. However, again, I'm recommending staying away from analytics just for the simple fact of Google using that data and as us being SEOers and trying to build links and everything that we're doing, we don't want to arm them with any more data than what we already do. So anyway, that's the reason behind that. The next plugin is the Google Plus One. This is to encourage Plus One shares, and you can see this right here at the very top. So and again, the social sharing is becoming more and more important, so it's crucial that you have these buttons on your page. The next is the sitemap. This will allow you to add a sitemap to your blog and allow you to. It will automatically keep everything up to date. So all you have to do is just copy this little short code right here, and you've got some settings that you can alter stuff with by just clicking on the settings page. But I'm just going to publish a sitemap. I'm going to click Add New. Now this is different from the Google XML sitemaps. The XML sitemaps is what is submitted to Google. This one is more for putting up a page or putting a page with all your content on it. So I'm just going to paste this, click Publish, and you'll see the sitemap in action here. So click View Page, and you see we've got this lists all of our pages. This it lists all of our posts, archives, and our categories. So very cool plugin. And the next one is the WP Super Cache, and this is something that will help your site speed. Over the last year, not only is social sharing becoming more obvious and more important, but also your site speed. So if somebody lands on your page, you want your site to be super fast. So this is going to help your site load faster when users land on your content. If it lands on your on your site and it takes forever to load, then that's a bad sign. So this is what's going to help this by caching your WordPress site. The next plugin is a RSS poster. We've had a lot of requests for people wanting to be able to syndicate content into their blogs through RSS feeds. So we integrated this plugin to where you can actually do that. You can go to the settings page, and I don't do this on every one of my sites, so this is not something that I would do on every single one of them. But if you're looking for a way to bring in some content, then this is a great plugin to do it. So all you have to do is just go to the tab and then click Add Campaign, and you can see you can just grab a RSS feed and plug it in right here. And this is what I like about this thing is you can set this to where it'll be click to publish, or you can set it to draft. And if you set it to draft, then it's not going to be published until you publish it. So you can use this for more of a content curator to bring in articles and different types of news feeds, and then you can just pull in go to your post and see what articles have been published here, or not published, but submitted as drafts, and then you could go in and just pick which ones you want to be published, and you could delete the rest, and nobody would ever see that. So except for the ones that you decided to publish. So if you found, like, say, you wanted to plug in some news feeds, and it put in 10 or 20 drafts of different stuff from your feed, you could go in there and edit each one of those and put your own spin to it, and actually be more of a content curator instead of a auto blogger. So this is a very cool plugin, and I recommend that you take a look at this and play around with this plugin as well. So anyway, this is the Page One plugins that are installed. There's some more video tutorials below this video showing you the other workings of the plugin, including the silo builder, including the email delivery. I'm going to show you the email delivery real quick, just and hit on this real quick. I touch on it in another video, but I want to show you this real fast. If you go to your settings page, if you're doing any kind of auto blogging, or if you're doing any kind of publishing your post in advance, so like let me just show you this real quick. If we go to the dashboard and we go to post and we go to add new, what we can do is we can actually schedule posts. So what I'm advising you to do is to make the best use of your time. So instead of just publishing all your posts all at once, go in there and publish one, and then publish a bunch more other posts, but publish them in future dates. So all you have to do, instead of publish immediately, you can set these for future dates. So you can set your post to be 3 to 5 days out, and so that way you're not having to always come back to your blog and updating your blog all the time. You can do it in just one setting. So then what this will allow you to do is you can set this link retrieval report, and what you do is you just put in your email right here in this little box, okay, and then you tell it how much you want your email frequency to be. So this could be like set to 1 day or 7 days or 5 days, and this is going to email you your new published posts. So that way you can grab those URLs, and then you can bookmark them, or you can put backlinks to them, or whatever the case is. This will automatically email you these links. So this is a very important feature and a very big time saver for you. Something else that's great for this too is if you've got outsourcers that you're using to publish your content and to do your posts with, they can do all the publishing of all the posts, and then you could put your email in here, so that way you will see the URLs come in your email, and that way you can then send them to whoever you're using to do your backlinks and build backlinks or bookmarking, whatever form of backlinking you're using. You could then direct them to whoever your SEO person is if you're outsourcing it. So this is a very cool feature. It's going to save you a lot of time as well. So anyway, this is the Page One plugins, and describing also the link retrieval report via email. And anyway, watch the rest of the videos to see the inner workings of the remainder of the features of the Page One plugin 2.0. This is Derek Pierce. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.